welcome back as Jojo with Miss
Shruti, what's up, Joe? Happy
What's
New
up?
Year
Happy New Year,
and
Deepa.
happy birthday! आज जब हम
Thank
रिकॉर्ड कर
you.
रहे हैं कल जोजो का बर्थडे था. Happy birthday to you, ping pong. Happy birthday to you, ping pong. Oh, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay.
She left me hanging.
Oh,
Yay! But
मैं
she
बहुत
sang
busy
for me,
थी
so
प्यों
it's
प्यों
okay.
करके गाना गाते में.
Yes.
How was your
Lovely,
birthday?
yaar.
What you do?
So nice. I was at
क्या
home
क्या?
with family and just chilled. Ate good food, had lots of calls and messages and cute things happening throughout the day, and then
You're
went
sounding very
exploring a
relaxed, huh?
fort. I am.
Oh,
I am.
wow. Okay, yeah, I saw the pictures on Instagram. You exploring the fort.
Yeah, and then we just chilled. I like yeah, dinner, wine, and then I do my lantern lighting at night. So I do it on
Yes,
New Year's Eve and
that's
I
a
do it on my
tradition for you.
birthday. Yeah,
Oh.
and it was so
What do you wish
nice.
for? Don't tell.
That we won't tell. But yay, how was Bali? She was in Bali, my
I'm
favorite
sorry.
island.
Can you see my t-shirt? मैंने कहा बाली वाली t-shirt तो आज पहन के आऊंगी. I mean awkward pose, but like.
Lovely. Did you drive a scooty there?
That ATS thing, no. But we took a jeep up to a mountain, like up to a thing. And हमारी jeep at one point पूरी टेढ़ी होके almost गिरने वाली थी, so we had to jump out of it. Even to get in and out of the jeep, we had to step on the tire and then jump into the jeep. So वो सब कुछ हो रहा था. And at one point वो पूरे ऐसे टेढ़ी हो गई, हाँ, like not 45 degrees. I'm saying like almost like 80 degrees पे थी. So it was about to be 90 degrees के हम गिरने वाले थे. And
Like a
the
sand dune?
driver. It was we went to that Black Lava Mountain, right? So
Mm.
वहां पे वो छोटे छोटे वो पत्थर and all that was there. So that guy just paused and he said, "Everybody jump out." You're like, "What?" He's like, "Now." And we're like, "Oh!" And like, cut. Three of us like just jumped out. And then he also got out. He saw कि सब संतुलन ठीक है कि नहीं. उसके बाद उसने थोड़ा
Santulan.
fix की. हाँ, like little balance needed to be maintained. But yeah, but what a trip, man. I'm still withdrawals हो रहे हैं मुझे.
Bali
मुझे
is
ये
not for a one trip, it's for multiple. The
and
island
ये
calls you
मतलब
back.
और
Yeah.
कौन कहता है कि like 9 दिन everybody had said that I'm going for 9 days. 9 दिन बाली में कौन क्या करता है? 9 days
Not
were
enough.
very little. There was no time. I hardly spent time in Kuta and Seminyak. So
No.
please जो भी जा रहे हैं, अगर आप genuinely जाके actually एक जगह को enjoy करते हो ना, 15 दिन लेके जाना एक ही जगह
Yeah.
पे. Bali
You
में at
need
least.
at
You
least
need
2 weeks
यार.
for Bali.
नहीं
My
होगा,
sister though
नहीं
went.
होगा.
I told her you won't want to come back. She went for 2 weeks. She stayed for 6 weeks.
Wow. I love your sister. I like how she lives her life. This is it. That's
I
what
was
I'm
like,
going
you're
to do.
still there. She's like, yeah.
But listen, I have to circle back on this. Your voice is sounding so relaxed.
It is. I have
Yeah, you're sounding
attained
fully rested,
bliss.
relaxed,
Yes.
stress-free. And all those pictures you've been putting, which are like that empty beach. पहला
Yeah.
तो मेरा सबसे पहला सवाल है लोग कहाँ हैं? Like एक इंसान नहीं दिख रहा दूर दूर
I
तक. I know
love
it's a
it.
private beach, but like
Yeah.
I love it too. But like my Indianness cannot take it. Like
Yeah.
मुझे मैं अगर एक आधा इंसान को ना देखूं किसी को oh my God so crowded मैं ऐसे वैसे ना बोलूं तो मेरा like ठीक नहीं रहता सब कुछ. यार ऐसे दूरों दूरों
I'm
तक there is
actually,
nobody.
yeah, I'm actually feeling like, aha, home has happened. But
Oh,
there's a whole other thing when you can just hear the sea waves all day long. And I'm feeling so grateful and blessed. Like, I love it. For those, like, I'm visiting my sister. So it's just beautiful. From night to morning to night to every time of day, I can just hear sea waves. And like, even in the day when there are people there, like from the resort on the side and everything, it's not, there's no noise, you know? So anytime I need a thing, I
Are your
just,
ears buzzing? Because normally after Bombay, when I go to really silent places, मेरे कान में noise pollution feel होता है मुझे. My ears start buzzing for 2 days. Like, they go a little.
like after a concert, it's
Yes,
buzzing the whole night. Yeah,
exactly.
no.
And then like third day, my eardrum I think heals, and then like, then I come back
But
to normal.
noise pollution is a real thing. I'm
It's
just
a real
saying.
thing. Yeah,
And that's
yeah.
why I get, but because I live in Navi Mumbai, so when I come to visit like you and everything, I can feel it. It's like
Yeah.
my brain cannot
मेरा घर तो
recalibrate.
बहुत ज़्यादा वो है. हाँ, it's there's too much noise around.
It's just what you get
Yes.
used to. My senses go completely here. So that's why I'm sounding so relaxed. I love it.
Your voice is sounding phenomenal. Please ज़्यादा recordings करो ऐसी relax आवाज. वाह. But okay.
I'll become
today,
voice of
yeah,
artist. But we are here.
Yes, come on.
And hopefully we will get out of our relaxed state because Bave has happened with a video.
Ooh. Oh, before we start, cheers to mangosteen tea. मैं हर holiday से आके कोई एक चाय पकड़ लेती हूँ, right? So yeah,
Oh, chai
yeah,
or different cups and everything.
हाँ, cups तो वही है वो टर्किश वाले, लेकिन उसमें मैंगोस्टीन चाय है.
Fancy has happened.
Okay, ठीक है.
I love it.
हाँ, now we can.
Now
Bave.
we'll come to Bave. Sorry guys, podcast happened. This is called Reunion Podcast.
Yeah,
Reunion intro.
वो
And
बोलेंगे
Happy
इनकी
New Year.
reunion ही चलती रहती है.
I
Every
know,
time
in
she
every
comes, first one is a reunion. Now that's like normalize this.
Love it. So they the Bave has happened. It was my favorite on the like in my top 3 on the HTV2 Hard Drive
Okay.
Volume 2, and
Hmm.
it's a track with Badshah, and it is just an insane bop. Like it is just, you hear it, and anyway I won't tell you more.
So you've
But
heard it.
I've heard the song because I reviewed the entire EP, na.
Oh,
So,
yes, yes.
तो ये और वो यशराज वाला गाना दहशत हो, and then the Ika song, they were my top 3 then.
Alright.
The EP is amazing, but I feel like this is a very out of syllabus video that they just dropped. Nobody knew it was coming, and they've got Samir Raina in it.
Huh.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
Nice.
I have got, I mean, I didn't really plan on reviewing it, but people are like really requesting, like, please get to this video. So I thought, aapke saath karenge. Why not? Now, Bawi.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
number
Awesome.
3 on trending for music right now. Oh, very
Absolutely.
nice. So, ठीक है, Badshah Raftar. It's called Bawe, produced by Hiten, Ashok, and featuring Samir Raina. Let's do it. Do you watch his show, by the way? This latent.
So I never used to, but since 2 days, okay, so my brother and my sister-in-law are visiting, and like they watch it regularly, which I didn't know. And I'm like, I walk in and I'm like, wait, I know these faces. What is going on? ये लोग ये क्या देख, ये क्या हो रहा है? And then they made me sit and watch it. And I like it took me a while to like really get into it because I'm not someone who usually like, you know, likes roasty things. Like, you know, after a while I began to feel a little like awkward. And the episode I ended up watching, someone I knew was in it. And I was like, Arey, ye yahan pe kya kar raha hai? And he's being reviewed by them, like roasted by them. And I was like, ye chal kya raha hai? So I quite enjoyed it. I saw it. It was nice.
I have
It was-
tried, when it started, I tried watching it. I think
Huh.
the first few episodes, I think 3 times I tried watching it, but I couldn't get past the first 5 minutes. I was just like,
Wait, that's because
it's not
we're
my kind
basically
of
nice
humor. maybe.
people. We don't enjoy being other people being roasted and like being like
Probably.
grilled and
It's
bullied,
probably that.
basically.
Yeah. But then
Huh.
after that, I think the show really took off
It did,
in
yeah.
popularity.
Crazy.
And it took me by surprise because people I know in Dubai were like subscribing to his channel and watching it.
Yeah.
And then everyone kept coming to me.
मेरे
and-
घर पे हो रहा है, मुझे पता नहीं था. I
हाँ.
was like, क्या है?
So I was like, great for him. But then I said that I couldn't. I tried when it launched and I didn't, it's not. And then someone else told me, no, you have to sit through like 15 minutes of it and then you'll get into it.
You get
So
into the zone.
I haven't gotten down to doing that yet, but
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah,
It's
apparently
got
there is like this very
big-
strong addictive thing to it, and
Mhm.
which is what I'm seeing everyone go through. Whoever's
Oh.
talking about the show, they're like addicted to it. They're like, initially we didn't, and then like we're addicted. Now we like they miss it when they don't watch it every day. I'm like, bhai wah.
Every day. Is it an everyday
Sahi hai.
show?
I don't know,
even
but they watch like whenever they get free, they watch like episodes of it. So
Oh.
yeah, I don't
Okay.
know if it's every day.
No,
thing.
but more power to Samay. He's created something
know,
that the
right?
whole country's behind and loving.
And in
So
such a short
good.
time, and in like so quickly, where like you know everyone else took so long to reach where he's reached. So like, well done, full
Well
power.
done. Yeah, and he's also putting his name and might behind the new show that Rohan is going to do for the culture
Yes,
community.
correct.
Sound
Yeah.
check. So more power to him for that. Well done.
It's called Soundcheck, huh? Nice, very nice.
Yeah, I have some 1,500 entries that I have to listen to.
Wow,
थोड़ा
Jojo.
सा मेरे को stress हो रहा है.
Or after a good night's sleep, then sit into it. Don't do it tired and all. Okay, right now you're
Yeah.
sounding perfect to do it. Abhi you're fully relaxed and all. Then you know, listen to all those 1,500 entries, or uske baad come back here to Dubai to rest, so that you know this cycle continues and you keep getting rested and then unrested while listening to entries.
Oh God.
Refresh. Yeah.
No, but let's forget this one right now. Let's
Okay,
get
हाँ.
into this video.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा बातें कर रहे हैं हम आज. चलो.
Yeah, chalo. Raftar Badshah Bawe, 1, 2, 3, play.
Scorpio season. You know. Rah. Shah.
कमी कोई है नहीं बावे नए पैसे वाले बंदे पुश्ते नहीं बावे दोनों ऑटोमेटिक जो मेरा सेमी बावे बंदा हार पार देखे आके पैनी बावे एनिमी मैनी बावे गाने सर चढ़ बोले जैसे फैनी बावे गाड़ी इंडिया में 3 गुना महंगी बावे बंदा हार पार देखे आके पैनी बावे
विजन क्लियर मेरा जब से बीता 20 बावे छाती चौड़ी कर बाबू की कर दी नीज दी G5 से ओवरसीज की नी मार्टिनीज 20 पैसे ऊपर 100% कला से मैंने फीस दी
कीज प्लीज वाले में होते सीन बीन जिस गाड़ी पे आर लगे तो वो रखी तीन तीन यमराज फ्लो खाऊं रैपर जैसे हीम क्रीम कमरा बंद होते ही बेबी खुले जैसे सीन
ज़िमज़िमा हमने बीमर ली तुम लेना बीमा शाह बोला रुक मैंने सीन करा धीमा बीफ दे दिखाई तो शाही बनेगा कीमा भैया ट्रेलर चल रही है अभी बाकी है सनीमा
कट तो है दे दे क्या की फट चटकते हैं लौंडे तो सूझे हैं बटक रा और शाइन दोनों नामों को रट जो ये दो जाने जुड़े इनकी दो में जाए बट कमी कोई है नहीं बावे नए पैसे वाले बंदे पुश्ते नहीं बावे क्रोनो और मेरे क्रोम मेरा सैनी बावे बंदा आर पार देखे आंखें पैनी बावे एनिमी मेरी बावे गाने सर चढ़ बोले जैसे फैनी बावे गाड़ी इंडिया में 3 गुना महंगी बावे बंदा आर पार देखे आंखें पैनी बावे
जब ये रैप करे लगे सेमिनार चले जिनको बख्शी कलम उनके सर शनिवार चढ़े मैं भी राहू कैसे गुरु मुझ पे कोई प्रहार चले जिनको जाना फार मेरे घोड़े पे सवार चले
बुखार सा चढ़े जो हमसे वास्ता पड़े ईपीआर की गिरे तो वहाँ बादशाह मिले वैसे ला दे दिमाग जैसे काफ का पड़े राशा हीट वेव ऑप्सलास का चले
जैसे चेले वैसा खाना इनकी गैंग पे डिग्री अपनी ओयो वाली बेबी हमें क्लाइंट कहती थी मेरी आर्मरी में अल्फाजों की भारी वेपनरी हमसे वर्स लियो होमीज तेरे हमसे बेहतर नहीं
शॉडी साथ मेरे जो उसकी बारी हेवनली ए लिमिटेड एडिशन घड़ी 47 जी सबसे पाऊं एलवी मानी चोदी फैशन की सुन के फट जाएगी गांडे कितनी एली मनी दी कमी कोई है नहीं बावे नए पैसे वाले बंदे पुश्ते नहीं बावे क्रोनो और मेरे क्रोम मेरा सैनी बावे बंदा हार पार देखे आंखें पैनी बावे एनिमी मेरी बावे गाने सर चढ़ बोले जैसे फैनी बावे गाड़ी इंडिया में 3 गुना महंगी बावे बंदा आर पार देखे आंखें पैनी बावे
Why is he holding it?
और भाई एल्गोरिदम क्या हाल है
भाई शूट तो हो गया मुझे क्या मिल रहा है
और भाई एल्गोरिदम क्या हाल है
Very cool, yeah. I
Fun.
think the very fact that they made the whole thing in a very, like, you know, poking fun at Samay Raina. Like, the whole thing was, I think, designed, the video concept was like fully designed around that. I think that
Yeah.
made it quite cute.
Yeah,
And like very
very.
real. I think I get the appeal. Samay Raina is very real. Like, he's never acting. Like, you know, he's
Yeah.
never putting up like any camera face on. I think he's just like, "Muh bana raha hai," like, "Muh bana raha hai." So he's very scared he's doing that. I think
That
that's
is
his appeal.
funny.
I get it. Yeah.
Yeah. I agree. Very nice. I could watch
वो
it
बहुत ही
again.
वो है like ना correct visually भी बहुत interesting है और sonically भी बहुत interesting है like you know the more you listen to it and then you're like yeah I can listen to it and like generally be you know when I'm out for a walk or like go to the gym and like you know
Yeah.
वैसी वाली vibe है इसमें and generally also drive पे भी आप सुनोगे I think थोड़े time तक तो ये गाना मजेदार रहेगा maybe it's not like 6 महीने बाद if I suddenly listen to it I'll get back into it कि बहुत deep ऐसे lyrics थे and all that वो नहीं होने वाला है लेकिन like it's got a fun vibe.
Yeah, it's a bop. But I feel like this video, they had lots of hidden things in it. That whole credit bit
Yes.
at the end was hilarious.
Yes.
Raftaar also in his verse, he's taking shots at Honey Singh. That continues. That saga. I think we will all, our grandchildren will also be dealing with that saga because,
Yes.
you know, the
कुछ चीजें चलती
never-ending
रहनी चाहिए you know it is like
parampara.
yes
Parampara.
परंपरा निभाएं वो
So, but yeah, that it was cute. It was cute. I liked it. I'm not used to this latent set situation, but all the actors were really good. What was that? Throwing the chair in the start and everything.
I think that was the break point that how you know break from I mean that's how I perceived it that you just take a break from the latent set and go into a music video. So how you do something very extraordinary which would normally never happen and then you know you kind of that transitions
Switch.
you into
Yeah.
that switch that happens.
Nicely done though. That bit where Raftaar is in that window frame
Yeah.
in blue and saying all these things, there were like some things visually. I was like, what are these things? We are not gonna No, but what was this helicopter ride of them taking Samay and scaring the hell out of him? He's holding their hand.
Well, normally, what is the funda between like those fancy cars and like girls dancing here and there? क्या reason क्या होता? कुछ नहीं होता. It is just a shot. So I am assuming कि यहाँ पे it's just a shot only, or it's about winning your fears and all. I'm not going to get too deep about it in this video. I think it is just ऐसे. You think there's a deeper meaning
No,
behind
I
that?
just feel like yeah, it looks like they've kidnapped him. He's just sitting there feeling really scared. Okay, he's got a fear of heights. That's all I got. And he's
Correct.
but anyway, they had fun.
Bave.
He's
Yeah.
he's
You know
drinking
things you do
water
for.
and his hand was shaking. It's hilarious.
It was those were like cute these things, and they both look like both Badshah and Raftar looked like they were taking it, like you know how when आप अपने दोस्त की like just like you're just taking their case basically.
Yeah, and
so
like
more that.
yeah, little हम क्या देंगे credit. And then everywhere his name is only there in the credits.
And I like how in the end he's like, मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? Because apparently that's the thing, right? Everything is about like a monetary transaction. Like, मुझे क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे? So yeah.
No, it's because
Is it-
they didn't
or
get
is it
credit
something
from Honey Singh for the songs they wrote, है ना? So they had to
मुझे
put
क्या
that
मिल
joke in. Very nice.
Oof,
I liked it.
oof.
Fun start
हाँ,
to our
हाँ.
session, you know?
Yes, very much.
And it is actually going quite it is number 3 on trending for music, like I said.
Hmm.
Very nice.
Cool. And ये release कब हुआ है? You already reacted to the whole thing, right? And that time you'd seen the video or no?
No, I hadn't.
तब
It hadn't
video नहीं आया था.
released. The video
okay,
just
got it.
dropped on the 4th of Jan and we are recording on
got
the
it.
9th. So
Got
yeah.
it. Okay.
ठीक है. That's
Fun.
done. Super fun video. Always good to see all these fun people. And
Yes.
it's a fun
Doing fun
song.
things.
Chalo. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. We have to continue this.
Bye.
They blog it past.
कमी कोई है नहीं बावे नए पैसे वाले बंदे पुश्ते नहीं बावे क्रोनो ऑटोमेटिक क्रोम मेरा सेमी बावे बंदा हार पार देखे आके पैनी बावे एनिमी मैनी बावे गाने सर चढ़ बोले जैसे फैनी बावे गाड़ी इंडिया में 3 गुना महंगी